How to make your audience public in Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Here, click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. After you click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Settings and Privacy. In Settings and Privacy, click on Settings. After you click on Settings, click on Default Audience Settings. Then you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Public at the top. After you click on Public at the top, press on Next. Press on Confirm. After you press on Confirm, press on Done at the bottom. And after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to make your audience public in Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.